Alright guys, this gets you going on your new design for your Habitat for Humanity home, okay? Remember, you can open up your template. First thing you want to do is do File, Save As, change the file name, and make sure it's going to the correct location, which would be, your student drive, okay? And then you're going to go to your model space, and we're going to start drawing some lines. Notice that I have my grid on. It doesn't matter. I want my grid snap off, and I like to use my dynamic input, so I'll keep that on. Okay, and then I'm going to make sure I'm on my floor 1, and I'm going to start with a line. Okay, I'm going to go straight up. Notice that it's at 90 degrees. Type in the distance, hit enter. All right, let's go over here. Let's say it's 75 feet. I'm just going to do a small structure here just for the heck of it. 50 feet, and then C will close my box. Okay. Now I want to give my wall some width, right? Remember, that's 6 inches. Okay, so I can come up here, use offset, type in 6 inches as my width, select my line, hit enter, repeat offset, go all the way around. Okay, remember to click on the inside. I always forget to do that. So click and then click on the direction you want to go. Okay, so escape out of that. Now I can clean up my corners. I'm going to use the fillet command. I'm going to use 0. Alright, go in here, select my inside, clean that up. Okay, zoom into this corner, right click, repeat fillet. Go here and here. Go around the whole thing, repeat fillet. Alright, it always holds on to the last radius that you put in there. Repeat fillet, boom, boom. Okay, and now I'm done with that. So now I'm going to make a room. Let's say I want to offset this line from the inside. So I'm going to use my interior dimensions for this. Let's say this is a garage and it is 16 feet wide. Hit enter. I'm going to select the line, click in the direction I want to go. Let's say it's just 16 feet deep for the heck of it. Click in the direction I want to go, hit escape, and then I can repeat my offset and do my 6-inch wall. Okay, now remember, I did interior dimensions, so I want to keep from here to here 16, and I want to go out with my wall. I went to the outside. Same thing with this one. All right, then I can go back to my fillet. All right, that's at 0. I can take this interior line and that one, exterior line and that one. Oh, repeat fillet, boom. Boom. Now those are done. Alright, quick way to clean up my intersections is a window from right to left. Type in trim, enter, and just select the area I want to remove. Again, window right to bottom left, trim, zoom in there, and get rid of that guy. Alright, so that's what I want to do as I go across my drawing. Alright, and just to get you going, that'll get you started. Good luck.